Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm doing a demo for jute flower number 2.
If you don't have burlap, you can make your flowers with felt or even denim.
I'm doing a series of 6 flowers and then I'll show you how to make a birdhouse.
Draw 5 shapes around a small round object like that and then cut them out. And I have my hot glue gun and a small container of water for dipping my fingers in. And I'm going to use some yarn to make my outlines. And I'm going to put a very fine line of glue on my outline. Place that down. Dip my fingers so I won't burn myself. Hot glue will not stick to wet fingers. Like that, and then cut it out like that. And I'm going to arrange them like that in a circle, and I'm going to hot glue them. Like that, and then hot glue a button in the center. And that's how easy it is to make this jute flower.